Hi, my name is Alexis Mayorga, and the organism I am presenting today is the hermit crab. Hermit crabs are crustaceans that are a part of the Arthropoda phylum and the Faguaridia superfamily. There are over 800 species of hermit crabs, and the most common one is the Caribbean hermit crab, with its scientific name being Comobita clypedes. This is the species that is also most commonly kept as pets. Species of hermit crabs can range in sizes from half an inch to 3 feet, such as coconut crabs. Hermit crabs are characterized by seeking shelter in abandoned shells of other animals. Moving on to habitat and nutrition. Hermit crabs live in swamps, forests, and wetlands all near the coast. This is because hermit crabs need both freshwater and saltwater to survive. They need freshwater for drinking and saltwater for gill and shell health. Caribbean hermit crabs like to live in coastal forests and spend a lot of time climbing trees or burrowing under them, such as you can see in the picture in the center here. Hermit crabs are scavengers and eat whatever they find, as they are also omnivores. They are known as opportunistic eaters, and they can eat many things such as dead fish, worms, plankton, vegetation, and even fecal matter. As you can see, hermit crabs aren't hunters, so they fall pretty low on the food chain. They have many natural predators such as big fish and crabs and octopuses. They use their shell and claws as their only defense mechanism. Moving on to traits and behavior. Hermit crabs have 10 legs total, including their pair of claws that they use for defense and to cut up food. Hermit crabs are actually social animals and live in groups since they like to exchange shells while molting. The main attraction is this molting behavior. Hermit crabs use empty, abandoned shells to protect their softer abdomen and will often form lines to exchange shells within their group. Hermit crabs will exit its shell, leaving it in its most vulnerable state as it moves to a different shell. Reasons for molting is that they will frequently outgrow their shells, so they need to find bigger and more comfortable shells. Their shell is also important for their respiratory system. Hermit crabs have modified gills and branchiostegal lungs, which is why hermit crabs are able to breathe oxygen and remain in water for a certain amount of time. Hermit crabs need to keep their gills moist and hydrated, so they have adapted to be able to store water in their shells, which keeps their gills hydrated and can perform osmoregulation when switching between freshwater and saltwater environments. Now I'm going to explain why hermit crabs are so important. Hermit crabs are a keystone species and they help hold their ecosystem together. They are great at seed dispersal and they breed scavengers. And as they breed scavengers, they help accelerate the decomposition process of organic matter. They also play a role in nutrient cycling due to their help in decomposition. Some hermit crabs have mutualistic relationships with sea anemone. Sea anemone will attach themselves to hermit crabs' shells for transportation and any food particles the crabs leave behind. In return, the sea anemone will offer protection from predators like octopuses using their stinger. Overall, hermit crabs are an important part of their environment and are skillful in using their surroundings to survive. They also make great pets and are easy to look after. Also, here are my sources for each slide. Thank you.